Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with GTA 5. You got an error. Your operating system does not meet the system requirement to run the game. Please ensure your Windows installation support DX12. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Even if your Windows support the minimum requirement of the game, but still you are getting this particular error. So to fix out this issue, you need to open or browse the directory of the game. If you are using Epic Games Launcher, launch it. Click on 3-dot icon next to the game and click on the option manage. Now here you will find a browse icon, click on it to browse the game directory. If you are using Steam, launch the Steam, go to a library, right click on your game and choose option properties. From the left pane, click on installed files and choose option browse to open the game directory. In my system, the game is installed in this PC, F drive, Rockstar Games, GTA 5 Enhanced. From here, you need to find GTA 5 installation files. First one is GTA 5 Enhanced, second one is Play GTA 5, and third one is GTA 5 underscore enhance underscore B. I mean, you need to find all the exe files, and what you need to do is to right click on each of the file and go to the properties. Here click on compatibility tab and make sure if any option is checked mark right over here, you must uncheck this option and check mark this particular option, run this program as an administrator. Hit apply and OK button. Do the same with GTA 5 underscore enhance, GTA 5 BE, and right in this BetterLife folder also do the same with BE service also. After doing this, relaunch your game and this will completely fix out your system requirement issue while launching the game GTA 5. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.